Do you know what happened today in history? October 17, 1662. Charles II of England sold Dunkirk to Louis XIV of France for £40,000. 1771, premiere in Milan of the opera Ascanio in Alba, composed by Mozart at age 15. 1907, Marconi began the first commercial transatlantic wireless service. 1912, Bulgaria, Greece, and Serbia declared war on the Ottoman Empire, joining Montenegro in the First Balkan War. 1931, Al Capone was sentenced to 11 years in prison for tax evasion and fined $80,000, signaling the downfall of one of the most notorious criminals of the 1920s and 1930s. 1933, Albert Einstein fled Germany and moved to the United States. 1957, Jailhouse Rock, starring Elvis Presley, premiered in Memphis. 1979, Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. 2019, the 17th of October revolution started in Lebanon. Happy birthday to you. When's your birthday? See you on our YouTube channel.